Azerbaijan. Ever heard of it? Most haven't. Tucked away between Russia and Iran on the edge of the Caucasus Mountains, lies a country few have explored. And that's a damn shame. This place is the real deal. A mix of East meets West, ancient history bumping up against modern skyscrapers. Land of Fire, they call it. And trust me, it lives up to the name. Baku, the capital, hits you like a shot of vodka. Sleek buildings rise up next to medieval walls. The Caspian Sea shimmers in the distance. This city has swagger. It's got money from oil, but it's also steeped in history. Silk Road traders, Persian kings, Soviet rule. Azerbaijan has seen it all, and the stories are etched into its soul. But Azerbaijan is more than just its capital. Venture beyond the city limits and you'll find a country of stunning diversity. Mountains rise up to meet the sky, their slopes covered in lush forests. Deserts stretch out as far as the eye can see. And then there's the food. Oh, the food. Think juicy kebabs, fragrant pilafs, and dishes you won't find anywhere else. Get ready to eat your way through this country. The Caspian Sea is a sight to behold. The world's largest inland body of water, it stretches as far as the eye can see. Beaches beckon, perfect for soaking up the sun. But the real draw is the nature. Rare Caspian seals call these waters home. Birdwatchers, get your binoculars ready. Flamingos, pelicans, you name it, they're here. Head inland, and the landscape transforms. The Caucasus Mountains rise up, their peaks piercing the clouds. Hiking trails wind through alpine meadows, offering breathtaking views. Waterfalls cascade down rocky cliffs. It's enough to make you want to trade your city shoes for hiking boots and get lost in the wilderness. Don't miss Gobustan National Park. This place is straight out of a history book. Ancient rock carvings, some dating back 40,000 years, cover the cliffs. These carvings tell stories of early humans, their lives, and their beliefs. It's a humbling experience standing there realizing that people have walked this land for millennia. Azerbaijan is a tapestry woven from the threads of countless civilizations. The Silk Road passed through here, bringing with it a fusion of cultures. Persians, Arabs, Mongols, Russians, they all left their mark. And you can see it in the architecture, the art, the very fabric of this country. Baku's Old City, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a labyrinth of narrow streets and ancient buildings. The Maiden Tower, a 12th century cylindrical structure, dominates the skyline. Legend has it that a maiden was imprisoned there by her own father. The Palace of the Shirvanshahs, a stunning example of medieval Islamic architecture, is another must-see. Venture beyond the capital and you'll find treasures hidden in every corner. Sheki, a Silk Road city, is famous for its caravanserais, ancient roadside inns that once housed weary travelers. The Khan's Palace, with its exquisite stained glass windows, is a masterpiece of Azerbaijani architecture. This is a country where history comes alive. The people of Azerbaijan are as warm and welcoming as the Azerbaijani sun. Hospitality is deeply ingrained in their culture. Don't be surprised if you're invited into someone's home for tea and sweets. It's considered rude to refuse. And trust me, you won't want to. Azerbaijani cuisine is a delicious fusion of flavors. Imagine succulent kebabs grilled over charcoal, the aroma making your mouth water. Plav, a fragrant rice dish cooked with meat, herbs, and dried fruits, is a national obsession. And the bread, freshly baked, it's the perfect accompaniment to any meal. Wash it all down with a glass of Azerbaijani tea, served in a pear-shaped glass called an armudu. Music and dance are an integral part of Azerbaijani culture. Traditional instruments like the tar, a long-necked lute, and the kamancha, a bowed string instrument, create haunting melodies. The dances, often performed in colorful costumes, are full of energy and passion. From the moment you arrive, you'll be swept up in the rhythm of this vibrant country. Azerbaijan is a hidden gem, a country that will surprise and delight you in equal measure. It's a place where ancient history collides with modern aspirations, where stunning landscapes meet the warmth of its people. So come and discover the magic of Azerbaijan for yourself. You won't regret it.